Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I am in a really good mood simply because it's weekend. And on the weekend, I am always in a good mood. So today I'm coming at you with some lipstick swatches. You guys know I'm all about those lips. And I will be swatching the va-va-plump line from Buxom Cosmetics today. Yes. And these colors are gorgeous. Okay, somehow all my videos feature that gorgeous in it. I don't know. Maybe it'll become a thing. I don't know. We'll see. But these colors are so vibrant and so vivid that I just had to show them. I'm pretty much addicted to them. There's 20 different colors, so I'm sure there's one that will fit you. After I show you guys the swatches, I'm going to come back. I'm going to give you guys an honest review of what I think of these lippies. Yes, are they a yay or a nay? And you know me, this is Kimberly. If you follow my blog, bffwithkimberlycanes.com, you know I tell it like it is. If they suck, I will be the one to tell you. And if they don't, I will be the one to tell you also. So I just tell it like it is. There's nothing, there's no value to a bogus review. So this is going to be the real deal. So stick with me, enjoy the swatches, and I'll see you after all the colorful stuff. Bye. See you soon. hope you guys love the swatches. As for my review, these lippies are supposed to be able to last all day. They're supposed to plump your lips, make them nice and give you that full pout. And they also contain a formula that doesn't bleed. So it's not supposed to go into the little lines around your mouth, which from my own experience happens a lot with like red shades and darker shades. But I have actually worn several of these shades all day long before I take this video, and I can honestly say it stays put. And I'm not just saying that just because I love Buxom and because they're great and they're my glam fam and all that stuff, but I have to say the lippies actually stay put. I have discovered my new favorite shade, which is going to be this shade. It's called Lights Down, and it's a mixture. It's almost like a orange brownish shade, and it's very natural. And when I put it on, when I saw it, I was like, oh no. But then when I put it on, it was gorgeous. And here we go again with that gorgeous. But anyway, I thought this shade was beautiful. So when I put it on, it looked really nice. It's really natural. So this is what it looks like. Really, really pretty. And well, I'll be wearing this a lot more. So, let's see. What else can I tell you guys? Yeah, these go for $20 a pop. You can find them at Macy's, Ulta, Sephora, online, of course, buxomcosmetics.com. And what else? That's pretty much it. I hope you guys love this video. Because if you don't, I'm really gonna cry. Yes. No, I'm not. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys love the swatches. I hope you guys love this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Subscribe to my channel. Come on, subscribe. You don't want to miss out on anything else coming. And that's it. I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.